My superstars, if you've been thinking of how to start a profitable bedsheet business in Nigeria, but you don't know how to, then this video is for you. Come closer. Alright, you've been planning and how to start a bedsheet business, but you've been sitting on the fence. What more time could be perfect than right now? This season is a season where people need lots of patience. There'll be lots of changes, so you don't have to sit on the fence anymore. You have to swing into action. This video is going to give you guides, and by the end of this video, you are going to swing to action and start your bedsheet business effectively. All right, so first you need to know that bedsheet business is very profitable. If I could start a bedsheet business so many years back as a student in Nigeria with as low as 5,000 naira, then you can start it. Although the startup capital may not be 5,000 naira again because there's been lots of changes in the economy, it with as low as 40,000 naira, you can start a bedsheet business and then grow from there. All right, so first, you need to know that bedsheets are of different textures. We have different textures of bedsheets and that cater to different levels of people and different financial capability of your clients. So first, you need to know the type of clients you'll be catering for, your target market. You need to know the type of people you'll be buying bedsheets for. Is it the low class type of people? Is it the middle class type of people? Or is it the high class type of people? These different classes of people have different ranges of bedsheets and different price margin of bedsheets. So you need to know who your target market is so you know what you are going to buy. For me, my target market was mostly students and the middle class type of people. So I knew the type of bedsheets I went for. I got the not expensive type of bedsheet. So by the time I bought them, I was able to sell them and in no time I sold out. That was how I was able to grow and to make my first million naira from bedsheet business. So first you need to know your target market. Are you going to cater for students? Are you going to cater for middle class people? Or are you going to cater for the high class people? So now we're going to talk about the different types of bedsheet fabrics available in the market. We're going to start from the lowest to the highest. We have about 4 of them. Okay, so number 1 on the list is bale bedsheet. Bale bedsheet is the lowest quality of bedsheet available in the market. It is cheap and it is affordable. It's for people of the lowest who can't afford expensive bedsheets. Okay, so a yard of bell bedsheet could go for about 500 to 700 naira depending on the design, and we have superior and inferior bell bedsheets. Okay, so we have those ones that are like filter. Once it enters water, it is gone. Okay, so those ones could go of lower price, and we have those ones that are a bit good, it could last a bit longer. Those ones could go from about 700 to 800 naira a yard. All right, so these bell bedsheets are for people. You need to, like I said, you need to know the class of your customers, their financial capability. How much are they willing to invest in bedsheets? Okay, so you know what you buy. So this bell bedsheet is the cheapest type of bedsheet available in the market. The next type of bedsheet is Big Brother. Big Brother is the next level of bedsheet available in the market. The texture of this bedsheet is good. Personally, I use Big Brother bedsheet because they have very beautiful colors, very exciting colors. You could see cartoon characters type of Big Brother bedsheets. You could see strokes, lots and lots of beautiful designs on Big Brother bedsheet. Okay, so these bedsheets are also affordable and also perfect for people of who who are just okay, people who love good things and try as much as possible to buy good things. So this bedsheet Big Brother is actually of two qualities. You know, when there's a a fake, there's also an original. So when you're going for Big Brother, you have to carry out tests on Big Brother bedsheets to be sure that you're going for the good quality. I always advise that whenever you want to buy fabrics, you go with a white bedsheet, a wet white material, okay? Once you clean it softly on the surface of the bedsheet, if it doesn't stain your white handkerchief, if the color is not transferred to your white handkerchief, then it means it's a perfect fabric. It means it's not going to wash. By the time you wash it, you're still going to have your bedsheet back. Okay, it's going to retain its color. So that is it. You need to run tests on the Big Brother bedsheet to be sure that it is perfect and you won't lose it after you wash it. Alright, next you also have to look out for the texture. If the texture is very hard like calico, then my superstar run no, okay? Because there's every chance that by the time it enters water, that fabric could be gone. You have to look out for a fabric that has cotton kind of feel, that is not hard, just okay, very friendly on the skin. Okay, those are the characteristics you look out for. It has to be friendly on the skin and not too hard like calico. It has to be like cotton. Okay, so that is it, my superstars. This bedsheet is perfect. I use it, so it's good. You can use it for, actually, for someone who's starting bedsheet business, this is the recommended type of bedsheet fabric because it's not expensive. By the time you buy it, you'll be able to sell it out and then go and get more. All right, so number 3 on the list is American bedsheet. My superstars, this is 100% cotton. This type of bedsheet is perfect for people who are into supplies for hotels and for companies and all that. It is 100% cotton. This type of bedsheet, they have very serious designs, okay, for serious minded people. You could see things like strokes, okay, or plain. They mostly come as plain bedsheets, but should you see designs, it's always very simple and very straightforward designs, not those exciting type of colors. If you want colors, if you want excitement, go for Big Brother, okay, or you go for the next grade of bedsheet I'm about to share with you. But if you need class, if you need cotton, 100% cotton, then my superstars, go for American bedsheet. Okay, so this type of bedsheet is for life. Once you buy it, it retains its color, its texture. It is 100% cotton, so it doesn't wear off, it doesn't wash off. Okay, it's perfect for washing machine. Okay, all you have to do is just be sure that your washing machine doesn't tear it or damage it. But apart from that, it has no problems at all. It is perfect and can last forever. Okay, all right, so if you need quality, then go for American bedsheets. All right, so the next type of bedsheet is polish. This is the highest and the most expensive type of bedsheet. My superstars, this bedsheet has cotton and silk mixed in it. Okay, so it has this very silky, very smooth feel on the skin, my superstars. If you need luxury, then your best type of bedsheet is polish. This bedsheet is not just, the texture is not just nice on the skin, it's not just friendly on the skin. The colors are wow, my superstars. The colors are beautiful, the designs are wow. Okay, it has very exciting, beautiful colors that light up a room. Okay, so this bedsheet is luxury. If you need expensive bedsheet for people of class and for people who love good things, then this bedsheet is the perfect type of bedsheet. Alright, so this type of bedsheet goes, a set could go for about 50,000 naira, okay, or more depending on the size of the bed and the number of pillows. Okay, because a yard of this bedsheet goes for about, is it 8,000 naira or thereabout? Okay, so it is luxury. All right, my superstars. So for someone who's starting bedsheet business, I wouldn't recommend you go for this type of bedsheet. It should be strictly on order, where your client gives you the money, you go buy it, and then add your profit. You deliver for your client, and you go with your profit. So this bedsheet is not something you buy and keep, or buy to come and show your customer, cause it will eat into your capital. Except you have a luxury bedsheet place shop, okay, where the lacquer do come in, then you could get a few samples and then sample it in your shop. All right, my superstars. So these four groups of bedsheet fabrics are the type of bedsheet fabrics we have available in the market. For a beginner, these are the four types of bedsheet fabrics we have available. And from the way I've explained it, you know which one is perfect for you based on your target market. So let me know which of these bedsheet fabrics would you be trying as a beginner in bedsheet business. Write it in the comment section. And I hope if you had been planning to start your bedsheet business, you have value and you're going to swing into action and start that bedsheet business. All right. Thank you for watching, my superstars. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section and then I'll get right back to you. Thank you for watching. I appreciate every one of you. Till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.